What we're showing you here is a full Harley upgrade kit. One of the big challenges with a motorcycle audio system is getting clear, detailed, loud music at high speeds while you're wearing a helmet. So this Kicker audio system is specifically designed and tuned for Harley-Davidson. You'll notice there are brackets included for the amplifiers, so you don't have to find a place to mount the amp. We've already done the hard work for you. The amplifiers are pre-tuned and set up, and they simply plug into your factory harnesses, so you're not cutting any wires on your install. If you're a beginner, this is especially useful because you don't have to worry about putting your bike back together properly and making sure it sounds great. In addition, if you've got a newer Harley, 2014 and up, this module right here in front of you, the audio programmer, allows you to re-flash the factory installed stereo to get amazing results with the Kicker audio system. As an option, we also have a bag lid. So if you want to have high quality sound and bass, the bag lid option will give that to you. We replaced the bag lid, but we use the same hardware, and the speaker mounts through the top, so there's never any leaking or warping of the Harley installed bag lid. So this is a complete audio solution for virtually any Harley-Davidson.